Today I'm going to share the 5 things I wish I knew before starting IB mathematics. First, don't memorize. Understand the concept. It's a mistake if you are trying to memorize formulas without knowing how they work and why they work. So the good tip is to understanding the why behind each formula. So if you have some questions, you should try to ask yourself why it has happened. If you don't have any answers, please ask the teacher. Unless you will miss the concept. So this concept should be the basic thing of any lesson, okay? Next, past papers are your best friend. Please don't wait until the last month to practice past paper. So even the teacher is not giving the questions from the past paper, the good idea is to go and find the past paper questions. Start early. Even after each unit, try 1 or 2 past paper questions. This tries to think in the IB style. Okay, past papers. Focus on the past papers. It was tip 2. Next, manage your IA from the start. IA means internal assessment. During the lessons, you will definitely have some questions in your mind. Connections with the real life. For example, if you see the financial mathematics and you engage with this topic, you can make some note somewhere in the cover sheet of the notebook, for example, and it will be your basis when you will start to do your internal assessment. And it is very bad idea to leave internal assessment until the last minute. Okay, so the tip is to choose you actually like early on. Work on it step by step, and you will save the time from panic later. Okay, so this situation is good. So from time to time. So small pieces, constantly, small pieces. Here a mistake. Don't avoid this type of the situation, okay? Use your calculator wisely. Okay, so the big mistake of especially application and interpretation course, where calculator is allowed in all papers, is to think that calculator will help you to solve everything. It is not true. Okay, so you should learn all the functions like regression, probability, solving equations, plotting the graph, finding the point of intersection, zeros, statistics, a lot of statistics there, you can find it there, but you have to know how to use it, okay? So also practice doing step by hand, because everything is not allowed on exams. And finally, don't study alone. This is an important part. Sometimes actually IB course is not the easiest course in the world. I can say that it is one of the most challenging in the course around the world. Okay, that is why. Try to avoid procrastination. It is a mistake if you are struggling through problems in isolation. Find a way to interact with someone. Nowadays we have ChatGPT, so please enter anything that you are worrying on ChatGPT and ask what to do. Also, it is crucially important to have someone to discuss some problems. So you will get a study partner. Explaining math to someone else is one of the fastest ways to learn. Okay, so again, use these 3 tips. Don't study alone. Use calculator wisely. Manage your internal assessment from the start, from the very beginning. Start as early as it possible past papers questions. And the last one, don't memorize. Understand the concept, okay? Focus on the concept all the time. And you will be good at the end of the diploma program. I wish you all the best. You can subscribe, ask any questions in comments, and visit my other videos. See you in next videos. Goodbye.